Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my version of Marry Me Chicken. So let's get started. So I have 2 chicken breasts that I flattened. I already did it. What I'm going to do is cut off any excess fat. That looks good. Now for the other chicken breast. And that one looks good. What I'm going to do next is cut this chicken breast in half. So now that I cut my 2 chicken breasts in half, I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. I'll put some flour in a dish and then I'll dredge this through the flour. Meanwhile, on my stove, I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter because I'll be putting my chicken breasts in my frying pan. I'll salt and pepper this side of the chicken breast. Once I dredge this through the flour, then I'll salt and pepper the other side. So I'll put about a half a cup of flour in my plate and then dredge the chicken breast through the flour. So I'll put the salt and pepper side down. Then salt and pepper this side. You want to make sure the chicken is coated really good with the flour. I'll turn my burner on medium. I'll get the olive oil and butter heated up before I place the chicken in here. And I'll just continue on with the rest. Now I'll take this chicken, because I only have 1 chicken breast left. I'll place it in my frying pan. On to the last chicken breast. Oops. Now I'll salt and pepper this side. You can serve this Mary Me chicken with rice or whatever pasta you like. Or just eat it plain with mashed potatoes and vegetables. So now I'll take this last one and put it in my frying pan. And I'll serve this Mary Me chicken with bow tie pasta, but you can use the pasta of your choice, or like I said, rice or mashed potatoes and vegetables, however way you like it. And you'll just cook the bow tie according to the directions on the package. Now I'll take some of the chicken out of the pan. It's browned on both sides. I'll put it on my plate. That looks good. Just waiting on these two. That browned up beautifully. This one's ready to come out. So now I'll place this on my plate. Because you'll be placing this chicken back into the pan once I deglaze everything. A few more minutes on this one. This one's ready to come out. So now I lowered my heat. I'll go get my garlic. I have 5 garlic cloves that I'll dice up. So now I'll dice up the garlic. And I'll place the garlic into the frying pan. I place the garlic cloves in. So now I'm scraping the bottom. I have my 1 cup of chicken broth. Everything's scraped up from the bottom. Now I'll add in my 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'll mix this around. To the chicken broth and heavy whipping cream and garlic, I'll add in my spices. 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now I'll mix this around. I'll add in my 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese. I'll stir this around. You want to make sure it's mixed well. And taking out any lumps that may be in the Parmesan cheese. Now I'll add in the half a cup of drained diced tomatoes. Mix that around. I'll let this come to a simmer and then I'll add the chicken back in. And that's it for Marry Me Chicken. It's simple and easy and quick. It smells good. Now that it's come to a simmer, I'll place my chicken back in. Flip it over. You want to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. The chicken is fully cooked because I browned it on both sides. You want to make sure that all this sauce is really incorporated into the chicken. And now I'll cook my bow tie according to the directions on the package. I'll put a lid on it. I lowered the temperature to medium-low. So now I'll check on it. Smells good. If you find that the sauce is a little bit too thick, you can always add in some more chicken broth, like another half a cup. Mix it around. I'll give the sauce a try. Nice and cheesy. I did add another half a cup of chicken broth because it was a little bit too thick, and I just stirred it around. My pasta's all cooked, so now I'll plate some of this up and give it a try. I made the bow tie noodles according to the directions on the package, so I drained them. Now I'm getting some of the liquid, placing it on top. Mixing it all in. You can see the chicken, how good that looks. So now I'll put a little on a plate, give it a try. So I got some of the bow tie noodles. Now I'll get a piece of chicken. Look at how good that looks. It really smells good, so now I'll give it a try. I'll take a bite of the bow tie pasta. So I cut a piece of the chicken, the bow tie pasta, and a tomato. Oh my God. This is really, really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my version of Marry Me Chicken. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.